Hi everyone, welcome back to Bukio TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the bell notification on. So anytime we upload new video onto YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kingsley. I'm here to see our dear sister, Sister Julie, who has been in Italian custody called a Casa di Riposo. A Casa di Riposo means where they keep old people and disabled people and people who have mental challenges, So we came here to visit her to know how she's faring. So, for the benefit of those who don't know about Sister Julie or who are just hearing about Sister Julie for the very first time, I want her to tell us in 2 minutes, to summarize in 2 minutes what happens to her and why she is here at Casa de Reposo, where they are taking care of disabled people, people who have mental disability and who have one kind of problem. So, Sister Julie, please, can you tell Nigerians, what actually happened, and why you are here?
Okay.
First of all, tell us your name.
My name, fellow Nigeria. My name is Julie Idehe Osalede. Since 2009, now I get fever when I take go hospital. I reach hospital, they do me test for blood. They say I get a fever, say I know they feel sleep. They will give me something, make I take the sleep, me until relax. Now I say thank you. Then later in the evening, they give me food, I eat finish. They bring the thing, they put am for a wasted cup. They say make I put water. I drink am. Then I sleep off. Later in the night, as I dey sleep, I no fit turn myself. Now I come open my eye, say wetin dey happen to me? As I open my eye, I see 3 people, 1 man, 2 women. Now they tie me for bed. The man tie me for right. The other woman tie me for the left. The other woman own injection. And I'm going to ask, they say, why una tie me for bed? And they say, make I keep quiet. Say they want give me injection. I say, which injection I want give me? Doctor not tell me so I want give me injection. It's
Okay, Sister Julie, which hospital did they admit you that time?
Now, they call the hospital Medeo di Savoia.
For where?
For Torino.
For Torino, Italy.
Yes, Italy.
Okay.
Then from there, now they come use the force. Before they use the force, they say, now say I want shout, make people come help me. They say if I shout for this generation, go reach the other generation, nobody will come help me. Now I say, I say okay, but I don't still follow what they talk. I just start to shout. Therefore, now by force, now the woman just near me, carry the injection. He give me for my neck here.
Give you injection for here?
He give me injection for my neck here. Now there I not come know what I did do again. Then from there my urine, I call the peace just come full bed. Then
okay,
they call the run.
Which means this one done this since
2009. Now they use this thing now. As they use the injection, take kill all my body. Even before I know they see. Even my head, I even lost my memory. That one I got come revive and back before they carry me come up for there. And all the days when I spent for them, I just say the time they use like the waka, I spent all a month and 2 weeks there. Before they come still give me the injection. They don't give me the injection finish. Then after again, or me I just say a month and 2 weeks again. Now still spend. Me I just say now 3 months so I spend for the hospital. Before doctor come tell me the money say they want carry me go Medeo di Savoia. I say what I want go do? They say I want go do gymnastics. I say gymnastics. I say okay. As my junior sister come. That's my junior sister. Now she not the Italy again. Now she call ambulance for me when I take that hospital. She did Benjo now. So now come ask and say I don't know what they draw me for my left side for my back. Now she come look and I say her sister na plaster. I say what did the plaster they do? They not tell me before they do all these things. And now you come say sister, if they remove one you start to the waka and say why? And I say because the time when she dey conceive, they give one they still put that kind of injection the plaster for her body to not say her. Me not they conceive.
Yes.
When we say they come put that kind of plaster for my back, now I will come dey laugh. From there, I don't know what they happen. If person come today, I will think say na yesterday come. I don't know before they come carry me. The doctor come again. Come say they want carry me go to St. Giovanni Bosco Hospital. Go there do gymnastica. Now they come carry me go. As I reach there 2 days, now they carry me go for one small room.
And the injection wey they give you, that make you not comfy waka again. Now they come say they want carry go do gymnastica.
Go do gymnastica.
Okay.
Then from there, they don't carry me reach there. I don't even know what they even call the word. But later, and they don't carry me enter there. Carry me enter the small room like that. Now only one bed did there. Only 2 days. I just see people enter house. But and they hear people, but I know they see them. But I hear say they talk. Then later, now so they just say, bear me for top of the bed. Come they cut me for the left side. The plaster they put, you know, come they there again. Then I come to say, under my bed, my breast, if they title. Now one doctor come say, I see being and they will treat me well. I say, you don't treat me well. For waiting. They don't tell me anything. They start to do everything by themselves. Later, they, as they don't operate me finish, I don't know say my kidney now they take from there. Then now when people...
Sorry to interrupt you. That room where they carry you enter, not theater.
Not be theater.
Now just...
ordinary bed like
ordinary
this.
Bed. Now they just for operate
Then they operate me. They don't carry me go theater. Now what like this as we did this Akaza de Riposo so. Now it's TV. Did you understand? Later when people come they greet me. Now they come let me come know what they call the word.
Okay.
The word now they call a nephrology.
Nephrology.
And I come ask they say what did they do for here? They say now that they treat the people who get a kidney problem. Now I say me no get kidney problem.
And not the kidney problem carry you enter hospital.
Not the kidney problem carry me enter hospital. Now fever. Now carry me enter hospital. Now say and this time I don't even know say na kidney they collect. Then one woman come from Benue. Then one woman wey come from Benue. No before but na black. The woman na one their daughter for them na her friend. As the woman come that time, as she just see me say I be black because my bed still dey near window like this. Now the woman near me, you call it my sister, what did they do you now say her? I know now say na fever now enter hospital. He say mean say other mean no say they operate me. No. If you ask me say I get papa, I get mama, I say yes. I say why you ask? He say may I come if I get money for food, they come my papa and mama they pray for me. I say for what? Before I call you ask me say you know that they operate you. I say yes. I don't say they operate me, but I don't know what they do. The woman not feel explain anything to me, not feel expose them for them. Now later when we say one a day, you know I won't reach a day like that. They carry and come.
Old woman.
But you know just
not old like that.
If they carry and come, only 2 days then the woman spend for the bed where they pump with me. The woman die. Then later the pikin come. Then pikin come they ask me, whether I know ask your mama to die. And I say, I don't know ask your mama to die. And they still say the woman they ask me questions. Then they say they want to carry me to another hospital. They carry me wrong.
Now that's the third hospital now.
Then they carry me come out. Before they carry me to come out, the Kaposala way they come meet me say, I beg God, this woman picking. If you come, they say you come, they ask me question. If you come ask me question, he give me a no answer. He said because if I tell her anything, he said the woman will go to Nisha there.
Okay. Now for those who don't understand the word Dunisha is like making a police report.
So from that, before they carry me go, they don't carry me wrong, enter the other room again. We face the room where they put me before I spend a week. But that room, small room where they operate me. Like week I spend for them. Before they carry me go home, John Percy for me. Now the room where they carry me John Percy, and they for carry me wrong. Enter the other room again. We face the one I did for them. I spend 3 days for them before they come say okay, me ambulance come carry me come out. Go hospital they call a CTO. And during when they call them before they say they call it interspinal. Interspinal. They say I'm not going to do rehabilitation for them. That is rehabilitation. Now it's okay. Then I still spend almost 4 months for them. I mean, I just almost 4 months. Now I spend for them. Before they come to tell me again, say whether I get brother. And before they carry me go there, my paper, hospital paper. For Madame Savoya, I know they see my hospital paper. St. Giovanni Bosco, where they carry me go, they operate me so. I don't see my hospital paper. When they carry me go CTO, Now the doctors come, they ask me whether with my paper. Now say I don't see all my hospital paper. And before they carry me go, now a piece of paper, address. Now they give the ambulance man. The man ask, they say where in your hospital paper? They say make you go. Say they go send them, go by themselves. Then they come ask me for them. Now say I don't see any of my hospital paper. And they say okay, they will go call St. Johannes Bosco and they will Savoya.
Those previous hospitals.
So from there, now they come say whether I get my brother. Now say I get family, but my uncle dey here. They say okay, me I call my uncle come. As I call my uncle. As the uncle come, now I come meet there for office. Me still ride my wheelchair wey they give me. Now they give me that wheelchair. Wheelchair they give me. The other one they put that green rubber on top. Now the one they give me for that hospital they for operate me. Now they say they do a gift for me. Since 2009. Okay. From there, as my uncle come, now we go their office. As we go their office, now they come bring paper come out. They come say make I see say, and I mean sign. Make they give me injection. Now I say which kind of injection? I say what did they tell me? Say why I come say I sign say make they give me this injection. I say which sickness? They talk say
you get.
I get. They no fit explain. I say this signature too, not be my signature. Not be my signature. Now say they sign my signature for my back. This one be my signature. Now I come carry my wheelchair, I come ride and go my room.
Sorry to interrupt you. Why they do you this thing now? Because say you go hospital, you say you get fever. Now and they come to discover say you don't get Italian document.
I don't get any paper, only my passport.
Only Nigerian passport that you get. And because say they never document you for Italy here, that one can't give them the room.
The room where they do everything, they can't do everything by themselves.
Because they believe say you don't get record for Italy and nobody will be trace you.
Yes.
Then they do you wait till they do you so.
Yes.
Okay.
So from there, now say I want to go bring my passport. This one will be my signature. Now take vaccination, take write the wheelchair, go my room where they put me. Now go take my passport, come out and go give them. Say this one. When I look at this one will be my signature. I think when I see my signature, this one with this one are the same. Now one doctor for inside say, the time when you get sick, you know the job you take when you take sign. Now say that's the way they sick. How you go take sign? That's why you don't know what they do again. How you go take sign? All of the doors shut up. They don't coffee talk again. I don't understand. From there, now they come. They ask the uncle. My uncle say, "I will tell you later." Now that my uncle contact and say, "We be Vishino Akaza." He said, "The papa house with my papa. We say we they build house near each other." Now then, I want assistant of family we did they say, "Assist this case, please." So he to say he get money. He for help me. Make me for take he for help me and take lawyer. Later I say they will do paper for me. Then as that woman don't talk that thing, it take 2 days or 3 days. Now they say they want to carry me go another hospital again. Now to which hospital? They say that they call a hospital Piemonte, but the real name now they call a hospital the Settimo Torinese.
Settimo
Torinese. The Settimo.
Okay.
Now so okay, now they carry me go. As I reach there, they can't go carry because the hospital. I said the ward red the door if you enter red day, blue day, green day. They carry me go the one with red day. So that me I for don't know what thing they happen. Now there people I don't know. You still get some injection whether they give me for my belly that time. I know, even when I ask, they say, what did this injection mean? They said this injection is diabetes injection. I say, we don't get diabetes.
And you not get diabetes?
I don't get diabetes. I don't get any sickness. I don't know. Now, when I don't go outside, go do exam, they don't know. Now, go outside, go do the exam. I can see say, I don't get diabetes. Now, that cause the doctor say, they carry one of my kidney.
Okay, now when you go do that exam.
Yes, for 2011.
For 2011.
November 3rd.
Now you can discover say that place where they operate you, where they take give you injection that time. Now your kidney, now they take, and you do X-ray, you do test.
Everything.
You can't show say they take your kidney.
Yes, I do one.
Okay, now that's just the summary, you know. So for those of us who don't know why she's here, why she has been here, is because of what she just narrated now. You know, our sister's kidney was stolen, you know, by the Italian medical practitioner practicing in one of these Torino's hospitals she just mentioned. Now, Sister Julie, I don't follow your case for some time now. You get what you better tell me. Not only your kidney they take. Which other thing they take again?
They still cut my nyash. My 2 legs were under of my nyash, under of my buttocks. Yes. They cut them. They collect my bone marrow. And I don't know before, say now my bone marrow, now they collect. Now later, now come detect and say now my bone marrow, now they collect.
And hold on a minute. For the benefit of doubt, you know, because most people might not understand what we are saying now. You know, so let me bring one of your pictures so that the camera will capture the picture. Okay. They will understand what we are talking about. Okay. All right, my people, you can see, but viewer discretion is needed because some of the image are graphic. So if you know you cannot watch it, please you can skip this particular part of it. You know, when her bone marrow was stolen as well, you know, this was what they did to her buttocks, you know. And I'm just going to show you some few ones. These are our sister's buttocks where they operated her buttocks and they removed her bone marrow, you know. All right. And Sister Julie, do you still have any image you want us to see? Okay. Viewer discretion is needed, please.
This is where they don't treat me well. I never see him till 2009.
Okay. So, Sister Julie, this is what you'll be passing through, and you haven't been getting enough treatment. No. You know. And one of the things that I heard was that they said you have some mental problem. Is it true?
My people, I beg, the one way they Europe, mostly Italy. Make una dey careful for hospital. Since when they give me this injection, collect my kidney and my bone marrow, they kill all my leg. In day 2011, they carry me go to the hospital, go there for give me this injection. As I reach there now, I call one of my uncle again, Mr. Izegu. Do you understand Aibo? Then I one man, when I know before, he find. Now he bring and come. So the man, as he just come, now there he just start to attack all these the daughters. They be they tell them lie, say no be there, no be there. Say now here, now all of them they work together. One una kill the leg. They say, okay, as it be, now they don't run, go call assistant to Charlie come. Now assistant to Charlie come, they beg me, say make I beg my uncle. Say they go treat me well. What did they do? They know. What did they do to me? Not be say I sign anything. Now they don't do everything by themselves. Do you understand me? Therefore, then they say they want to do paper for me. They say they do paper for me. They will give me house. They will give me money. They will carry my pikin come. Till today now. Nothing they do. Even the hospital they carry me go again for them when they talk so. They even want to put medicine for my mouth when I sleep for night. Every night when I pray. Every 12 o'clock. Every 12 o'clock now they pray. As I pray, I don't know the time when the nurse stay waka reach near my bed. Now when I come to feel something for my mouth like this, now I come say, I open my eyes, see the nurse near my bed. Now I say, what do you want to do? He say, you want to give me medicine. I say, you don't say I sleep. Why you not wake me? Say, Julie, take medicine where you take for 12 o'clock. Now, they never even tell me, say, I get medicine when I go take for every 12 o'clock. I say, why you not wake me? Do you understand me? Now, say, you don't say I sleep now. And if I be person when they sleep, they will open mouth down. Then you for just drop the medicine inside my mouth. Then later in the morning, then they'll come say una succeed. Now say, God, they with me. Now say I want to shout Ayuto, I want to shout help. Now she just run. Then I want woman where would the serum come say her. Why no shout Ayuto? Now say it don't run now. She don't run. Do you understand me? Then they break now come call Mr. Zego say, daddy, see what they be want to do. I say, okay, I bet my pikin make a careful. Do you understand? Then they break na the woman come this artist to Charlie. They come write paper. Say make I take and go Questoria police station. They say they don't phone them down. They don't tell them everything. Then when I come back for the hospital, for police station, now I come take the paper come out. Then she just come say as I don't come for police station, make I read the paper come out. I say make you read that for me. I come read that for my friend and say see what he write. He write and say Solomoto Malata. Obisonyo Ayuto. Now so what did that on me? He say he write and say I dey sick well. Then I need help. Now I say now that one happen to me. I say no be what happen to me, no be you write for paper. He say they know. No be saying I make am tell me say they do everything by themselves. True. Me no sign anything and they true do everything by themselves because they still say I don't get document. Now I make they do what they do to me that time. Now so everything take go like that. Before they come say they want carry me go the hospital the setting again.
And now this one, now they report say you get mental problem.
Now then later now they come
they give you.
They come give me mental medicine.
All these people get mental problem.
Thank my God say I not take anyone. I not take anyone. Then from there they come send many doctors. They come for outside. And where they go put me, where they don't carry me come on for hospital, the settlement they call a Letterase. Inside Torino, that is a casa di struttura di sanitario. Struttura di sanitario, they mean where all those crazy people dey. Me no there. Now they go put me. Every time that they carry different doctors, they meet me. If the doctors come, they don't ask me any other thing. Now only madam, signora, you dey eat medicine? I say I go ask them. Now because of medicine, now una come. Now that one una come, they ask me. Then from there, you know, say my eye, as they give me that injection that time, I know they see where I can't see the cost. I can't see say some medicine they give me as I retire, I can't bring I can't see say dog medicine. It dey. Now I can't show one guy where they wash ground for there. I say, I better me look this medicine. Now the guy can say now dog now they drop put on. So now the girl can say, okay, as it be, now she go help me. I go bring me, she help me take the medicine, go meet doctor for outside. I be no one tell her. I be no green for her. Later, now can say now two color. One color they will light yellow, the other one are white. Then I can see look the other medicine they give me the post is there that they tie the hide. I can see this medicine sit there inside. And they all this medicine. Then the guy I come give her. As I come give her, now where doctor dey? But that's the night she call me. Because she collect my number that time. Because say Julie, this medicine you take her, I be no one tell her true. Then later, now say make I just tell her. I say I know they take her. He say thank God though. He say you get lucky to say for not and I say I say thank you. I say he said this medicine. He said some don't expire. He said thank God say I know they take her. He said to say they take her. Say for the call they shout as dog. They shout
like dog.
Do you understand me? Then from there, all this medicine, with all those papers where I take go do exam, this guy is able. Now he help me find doctor from Rome. I can't carry the paper. Go. Then as I carry the paper, go. Then I go give Dr. Akubu. The Dr. Akubu come examine all the paper. As he don't examine already, he can't call me. He can't ask me, say, my sister, they eat all this medicine. I been no one still tell her. Later I say, he said, make I tell her. I said, Uncle, why they ask me? He said, because this medicine. He said, thank God for my life. He said, person for my life. He said, person they take all this medicine. He said, you know, they talk again for this life. He said, because all this medicine, animal medicine, plenty, now plenty pass inside. All these things they talk so, he don't still tell guys able. As in they ask me, guys able, come they call me for life. Now me with a cost they talk. Now that they ask and say, you see everything on my paper? He said yes.
And Sister Julie, now based on they say you get mental problem, now they take give you document. Now that's the right inside your
now take them a document.
They say the motive of giving you this document is because you have a mental problem. And of which you don't get mental problem.
I don't get mental problem.
now make they take hide the
all
bad
the
things
secret what they do.
where they do.
Till
Then they
today.
write out for your document. And now make it difficult for us now to carry you go police station. May we go do a police report. Because if police ask for your document, they go say you didn't
mental problem.
They'll say you get mental problem.
Yes.
So then go come arrest, we will carry you go there. That's why we carry person we get mental problem come out.
Thank
you understand?
Yes.
So my people, that is the reason up till now we have not been able to make a good police report. Because when you take her out for police report, the police will tell you, why did you bring a mental person out of custody, out of the authority custody? So this is one of the major problems. But thank God, so far so good. I want to sometime last 2 years, there's a popular radio program called Human Rights Radio.
Yes.
Then it was operating under another radio station,
yes.
Called Brekete Family. And the president of Brekete Family is the person of the ordinary president, Dr. Ahmed Issa.
Yes.
So he was the one that brought your case, to limelight, that brought it to the whole world to see the inhuman and unjust treatment the Italian medical practitioner did to you. You understand?
Yes.
So far, so good. What do you have to tell the ordinary president? Because if not for him, nobody would have heard about your case. In fact, he did everything possible to make sure he involved the federal government and the Nigerian embassy in Rome. Though we also heard that the Nigerian embassy was once involved, but we don't know how the whole matter went. I also heard that some of the valid documents were taken to the Nigerian embassy, and up to now, nowhere to be found. We didn't know what happened to it. All is missing. Okay. Now the ordinary president have done so well.
Yes.
He has actually helped you, he creates that awareness, and he has told the federal government to see that they do what is needful, to get you out of where you are now. So what do you have to tell the ordinary president?
And he also is the one that make information to Honorable Rita Oji. So that,
okay, Rita Oji is the chairperson of Nigerians in diaspora.
Yes, okay.
She came to visit you?
She came to visit me at 2016. 2016, March 22.
Okay.
She saw everything. Okay. Thank you, Mommy. God will bless you. Also with my honorable president, my president. I praise you, my brother. God will bless you and your family.
Amen.
God, we continue to be a pioneer in you,
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Thank you, my brother.
The last time,
don't forget me, don't leave me alone.
No, the ordinary president is still on your case.
Okay.
Now, the last time I visited Abuja, I told the ordinary president that this was the situation, that you were getting smaller and smaller, you were shrinking, yes. Because of, I think last year you even went to coma. You were in coma sometime last year.
Yes, last year, 2017. I go to hospital that they call Kieri. Kieri. From this Eremo Kamadolese, where I am now. Then from here on the 11th of February, but I don't remember the date. It's February. I have my leg. This is my left leg swell up. Then from there, my urine, my stomach swell up. I didn't urine again. Then from there, they take me to the hospital. As I reach the hospital, I don't know where I am again. That is where I go to the coma.
That was when you went to coma.
Yes. From that is a hospital the Kieri. Yes.
Hospital the Kieri.
That is hospital the Kieri. Inside Fori Torino.
Okay, outside Torino.
Outside Torino.
Okay.
But near this
particular
zone, yes, they are working together here.
Okay.
So thank my God now.
So fellow Nigerians, you can see this is our dear sister Julie Idehen. This is what she has been suffering for the past 9 years.
10 years
for the past 10 years now. 10 years, right?
10 years.
She's yet to get justice. But we thank God there's somebody that is handling your case now in Nigeria lawyer,
Nigeria lawyer,
Barrister Hilary Sedu.
Sedu, yes.
He's the one handling your case at the moment.
Yes, he's the one handling my case now. He's in Napoli. He's a Nigerian man. So he's the one take over in the case now.
Okay, all right.
God will bless him for me.
Amen, amen. So my ordinary president, so this is our dear sister Julie. I want to join to thank you for what you have done so far and for bringing Sister Julie's case to the world to see what the Italian medical, some few, not all of them, you know, some are good, you understand. Some few of the medical practitioners that are practicing here in Torino, what they did to our sister Julie, they stole her kidney and also stole her bone marrow, you know. So we are still pleading that our ordinary president should please do not relent in your effort to continue to assist our dear sister so that she will get justice by the special grace of God. So Sister Julie.
And for now, I know they feel my urine. Now that injection will kill my leg. Now they take kill everything. And I know they feel shit like that. If I want shit now, now this hand glove. This hand glove, now they put for my hand like this. And this hand glove, now they put for my hand. Then now they put my finger, now they put for inside my nyash till they bring the shit come out.
Because you cannot force yourself anymore.
I don't even feel like
you don't feel anything anymore.
Feel anything. Now so I take the since 2009 till now. Even as I still there here, not be good treatment they still they give me.
Okay.
Even I think you see the carton of the hand glove that they give me. Where they call all this one saying support or help. Now they help me. So now I say make I show you my people. So
okay.
Now they go hospital, make una they take time beg. I take go beg una.
All right.
Now they live on self like that too. These people they after money. They not there after anybody life. Even 2016. When I go hospital again, they call Maria Victoria. When I go Maria Victoria, now there, I don't say they know me for there. Say this my matter. Say they phone themselves like that. Because any hospital they want carry me go. Now phone they call. Now they contact themselves.
They monitor your movement. They trace you. They will tell the other hospital say they'll attend to you.
Okay. So now they do see them. As I reach there, let us say October 11th, 2016. I don't reach that kind 7 years, almost 7 years plus. As I got there on top of the bed, I just say the woman enter my room. He just they open this place. I see the opener. He say my leg they swell up. Now I say my leg no they swell up. I don't look at eye well. Later, now she come on top of my bed like this. He said that me reconnaissance.
That's whether you know her.
I don't look and say yes. You recognize it. I say, tu say Dr. Rolina.
You are Dr.
Rolina. I say, you dey work for St. Giovanni Bosco.
Okay.
Later now she come tell me say, because she dey speak English. I know you are hungry. Before I answer and say, I'm hungry because of what people do to me, she don't know.
Because she did among the